So it's snowing outside, so today we'll do a little shop upgrade. So what I'm going to be doing is installing this Wilton 4000 series bench vise. So I have a bench vise here that I got, my grandpa gave to me a few years before he passed away. I think it would have been in 2018 when I built this workbench. So he had this for who knows how long, 50, 60 years, who knows, maybe not that long, but, I basically got it, cleaned it up a little bit, put some paint on it. Looks like it's a Chief made in USA. And nothing's wrong with this one. It works, but when you have an opportunity to get a Wilton bench vise that's in pretty good condition for being from 1977, I think. We'll find that out in a minute. We'll take this part out, and then it'll tell us the year, which is pretty cool. But anyways, when you have a good opportunity to get one of these vices, gotta pounce on it, because they go for a pretty penny online and all that. So let's get started. All right. So we took this guy out, and you can see on the bottom it says 177. So this guy was manufactured in January 1977. And now it's sitting on my workbench in 2021 in Ohio. Let's see how much the vise weighs. I'm guessing 50, 60 pounds. All right, let's see. Turn that on. It's heavy. God, I don't break the glass. Oh, 59 pounds. I was right on. I said 50, 60, but that's heavy. Look at this thing. Get a little room here. Okay, last one. This guy. Okay. All right, got the old Chief out, so not bad. Oh yeah, I think we're good. So we got the base here, and the only thing slightly worried about, but I think we got enough clearance, is the bracket, the brace right here too. But we got some clearance there, there. I think that looks good. All right, let's pretend we're locked in. Oh yeah, that's got enough swivel. Could really use a nice pencil sharpener in the workshop here. I mean, yeah, you can do it with this, but nice powered pencil sharpener, that'd be nice. We're gonna drill out our holes. You think right in the middle somewhere there? Let's see, spare wood. I got this dowel. Put that there. Let's go to the old glue section. Oh yeah, glue's rolling. Glue. A little bit bigger. It's one of these. This one fell out. Might even use that. And we need a drill. Let's go here. This is a 1/2 inch, yeah, 1/2 inch red oak dowel. But these are smaller, so we're actually gonna make the hole bigger. So let's see, I mean, do you think that's good enough? Got a 1/2 inch bit. Yeah, all right. Let's see what we get into. See. Perfect. GoPro, stop recording. Probably only what? I think this is only 3 inches. The workbench. Okay. Pop this guy in here. Give it a couple of whacks. There we go. The summer. That. One hole filled. Nice. 1, 2, 3. A little proud, but it doesn't matter because the swivel base of the Wilton will be on top of that. 5 inch long, 1/2 inch hex bolts, washer, fender washer, spring washer, nut. So I don't. Huh?
Ready.
What?
Sandwich.
Sandwich. Okay. I just want to see if there's any difference in these drill bits from this kind to the whatever that kind's called. I wonder if it's better, worse, or the same. You know what? Before I do something stupid, let's make sure. Even though it says it's the same size. Okay. Ah, shit. 1, 2, 3. Oh, come on. Good enough.
Give me 1 milk, please, for Bugoy.
Sure. Sure, Ma. Hold on. I'm filming a video.
Yeah.
A whole milk?
Yeah. Whole milk.
Whole. Whole milk.
Okay. You want your milk na? You like
Gusto mo milk? So, yeah. Let's do a little dry fit here, huh? Yeah. Oh, hell yeah. Look at that one. It's like on a fucking angle. We'll fix that in a second. Okay. Let's just do it since we're here. This one's got to go a little more this way. Yeah. Let's see, that's better. All right. Start getting this bad boy on here. Alright, more or less. Looks pretty good. Pretty good. Hey. Ah, shit. Got this, got this, got this. Let's see. Look at that spring washer flatten out. I mean, that's what it's supposed to do. Try to get that right front and center. It's kind of cool. Ooh, dilemma. Oh, maybe not dilemma. Might be a dilemma. Okay. It's looks pretty clean. Look at that, ain't that nice? Just nice. Oh yeah. That's legit. Alright, it's installed. Not bad, huh? I think she looks pretty good on that workbench. Last thing I want to do is I got some, I got some hose washers. Is this it? Come on. Throw these on there too. So not those, we'll go with the black ones. Put these little guys on there. Alright, so got one there. See, so it's not as loud. There we go. WD. Never heard, huh? A little tight at the end because this, I tried punching out and then I just stopped. So there it is. Bench vise is installed. I got a little bit of a tight thing there, but who cares? That ain't nothing. It swivels. Oh yeah. Look at that. Not bad, huh?